In this video, I will show you how to trade in Expert Option Philippines. In order to do that, head over first to their website, which is app.expertoption.com. And then from in there, you just head over and then choose in here an investment account that you want to use. For example, right here, I'll choose $100. And if you have some right there, just choose between selling or buying. For this case, I'll choose in here the buying option. So you have different techniques or goals when you choose between these two. So indicated by the arrow up, you need to stay above this line. So if you're selling, you need to stay below that. As you can see right now, I'm currently losing, but it's not yet the final end. So this is the final end. So we need to stay on top until we reach this part. So let's just hope so onto this case. Now let's just wait. And after 30 seconds, as you can see, I have earned something through that. So once you're done, you can head over and then withdraw it into your Philippine bank account.